ForestOne is the merging of 4 separate companies that occurred 2 years ago. And so I've been managing director since that acquisition, which was completed in July 2019.
What I love most about working with ForestOne is the people that I work with, that team atmosphere, that bond, that we all have a common goal to achieve great things together.
People can see there's a new direction in the business. What we're doing now is we're really embarking on a new strategy, which is a lot more around the decorative world. The decorative world of products for us is bringing to the Australian market a very bespoke range of high-quality European decors that have not previously been available in Australia.
I'm excited about the new direction that ForestOne is going in and the belief about specifying responsibly. It means that we can help our architects and designers achieve their sustainability goals, and I think it's important for the industry as a whole.
I think all of us in society have a responsibility to the environment. I think all of us feel if we've got a choice, if we can make a good choice, that's a choice that we should all be making.
Specifying responsibly is about letting our customers automatically make good choices.
It's giving the confidence to the architect and designer world that the products meet the best in the world standards in terms of the environment.
It's about not having that compromise between really good looks and good feel and sustainable products. There's no reason why you can't have both.
We've taken the guesswork out for a lot of architects and designers not to have to do the groundwork because we've done the groundwork.
Our clients have so many different products that they have to specify.
Last count, there was something like 375 different product groups, 6,800 SKUs.
So it's really up to me and my team to make sure that our client base is educated, not so much just of what's available, but what's right for the purpose that they're actually trying to specify for.
But if we look at the new direction of the business, clearly there's 2 standout brands for us. One is Egger and one is Meganite. They're 2 standout decor brands. Having said that, we have other products that are obviously very important in the range. Design Apply for us covers a very, very extensive range of very bespoke, high-quality products as well. It's nice to have something in your briefcase where you can show people and say, this is the best, and that's what we have.
It's up to me to actually search the globe and find the best possible products. Egger's whole story is about that sustainability aspect. They are a worldwide leader in sustainability, and we're really proud to have them as part of our portfolio of brands.
Egger specifically in that product range of when we're talking about melamine face chipboards and high pressure laminates stood out in terms of who else was out there. When we did the rest of the due diligence and we find out all the other fantastic attributes that Egger can offer, it really was just, we need to partner with them.
With the Egger product, I'd have to say the moulding and the innovation of Perfect Sense, which is the anti-fingerprint technology, with the fieldwood timber grain texture, it's innovative. No one else in Australia has that.
They constantly spend huge amounts simply in terms of coming up with new ideas, which is very, very groundbreaking in our industry once again.
That's effectively informed us in terms of the way we want to behave as a business as well.
We've spent a lot of money on upgrading warehouses, but to handle high quality decors and products, you need to have a world-class warehouse facility.
Over the period of time, the investments in the operations area have been to standardise the type of equipment that we have. So in the warehouse environment, that would be one brand of forklifts that we have, and we've invested a lot of money in replacing those throughout the country. We had a standard form of strapping machine now that's gone battery operated, quicker, faster. It's right through the whole country now, so all of them are the same. Standard in our packaging, the way we pack goods now, the way packaging supplies as well is standardised. And these are not cheap items. This is a large investment over time. And our truck fleet, they are a very large investment nowadays. And we've been able to get new taut liners rather than tray trucks, which protect the product better. It's able to get our premium product to the customer in good condition.
So there's a lot of money in terms of process. We're investing in some other capital machinery at the moment. That capital machinery will help with some of the processing that we're doing, from cutting to packaging. We're investing in a number of showrooms that will roll out Australia-wide.
The idea with having a showroom is our clients, our architects and our designers and builders can actually come in, see our product in situ, they can look at large panels, they can touch, they can feel.
I think they're very tactile, these designers. When you get to see something live, you believe in it, you see it, your mind goes to where it could be used.
It's really that missing link that finally now we can have our clients come in and actually finalise what that whole project is going to look and feel like.
They're the creative ones. We're here to basically give them the pen so that they can draw.
Professionalism for me, doing what we say we're going to do. And that can be as simple as calling somebody back when we say we're going to call them back. But professionalism in the business is something that just doesn't have a second place, that we need to be the best.
We want to make people's lives easy, so providing the best possible service in the quickest amount of time. Because at the end of the day, we're just one very small piece of the puzzle when they're trying to build an entire building.
Our point of difference is the professionalism that we offer, the range that we offer. It's not just simply about price. Quality is remembered long after price is forgotten. What we're trying to do is to have the best for range, the best for quality products, the best for showing that everything that we touch is good in terms of sustainability.
I joined ForestOne because I liked their story. ForestOne is serious about the environment, serious about sourcing sustainably.
Sustainability is absolutely at the heart of everything we do. That comes into, looking at air conditioning systems. It comes into looking at our forklifts. It comes into our trucks. It comes into our company vehicles. We're not far away from every company vehicle now being a hybrid vehicle. There's no stone unturned at the moment. Our operations and our marketing is looking at everything we do as to where we can make a difference. So it is at the very, very heart, sustainability, on not just the products we sell, but what we do as a company. It's been something which I've been passionate about, and that cascades all the way through the rest of our team. And so I know that our sales force, I know that our team that's out there seeing customers face to face, they're proud of that we can look back and say we've done the absolute best that we could do in our industry for sustainability, in taking to the market a beautiful range of products that not only tick the box in terms of having the world's best decors, but people can be proud that they are good for the environment.